Hello, everybody. What are y'all doing? Everyone. So, would we like to introduce the new ones? No, I don't know. But why is there a reindeer? Oh! A reindeer? Don't we have enough of those fucking pretty animals? Hello. I'm supposed to be Mr. Squid's replacement. What? No. You are not gonna be Mr. Squid's replacement. We do not support stupid ass reindeer. My name's, Rainford. Rainford? You look more like a fucking Rudy. Right, you mean the one from Dandy's World? Of course I mean that, you fucking accident! Anyways, what the hell is going on here? Why are you here, you Mr. Man? I'm not a man, I'm a reindeer. You're still a male, so you know. You really need to stop fucking screaming. And you need to get your butt out! Out, I say! No. Yes! No. Yes! No. Yes! Ooh! Are we having a pissy fight? Let's me join! Huzzah! Oh, you goddamn bastard! I was supposed to be Mr. Squid's replacement. Well, you don't act like him. What's his favorite thing? Paper. It's not paper. Yeah, it's not paper. Why would it be paper? Hey, we don't censor our bad words. Why the fuck would it be paper? That's more like it. Oily. I'm Spots. Well, you two don't really make no sense anyways. Hey guys, I'm back. Back from the, retirement home. What? You're in a retirement home all this time? Yeah, I've been in a retirement home. It was fun. The hell's wrong with your tentacles? Why are they all, These are not tentacles. We're learning about Nautilus facts. You're a bitch. I'm prehistoric! Yeah, I know, loudmouth. Horse-side down, loudmouth. I'm the biggest loudmouth here, not him. Rah! Oh, you want to get loud? Ah! 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 Stop screaming! Ah! I won! Rah! Did you have to say raw? Of course I have to say raw! Guys, my tentacle's coming off. Rah! That's disgusting! Rah! Brother, I don't know about this place. Say what? I don't know about this place. It seems scary. Oh, don't worry, Bucky, old pal. You're fine. It's not fine. Nothing's fine. Oh! Wait, no. What the fuck is his name? What the hell's his name? Tonshed, come back! Tonshed? What the hell happened to my tentacles? Hey, look who we got back! It's Wildly! Hello, guys. He is not the freaking spotlight of the video! We need to understand why the fuck's this reindeer here! So tell us, are you in cooperation with the stupid husky? No, I mean, maybe. Maybe I am. Maybe I am. Yeah, maybe I am. What? That doesn't make no sense at all. Maybe it's because he's an idiot, like yourself. Hey, I'm not an idiot. You sure do sound like it, Bucky. No, I don't. Let's go show you around. No, put me down. The fuck was that? It was nothing. It was called antler shot. Antler shot? Can I try? No. Die, little fucking bastard. Told you! I was coming in like a wrecking ball. Whoa, how does that song go? No, don't sing it. I was coming in like a... You old man, shut your mouth! I'm prehistoric! Anyways, we need to find out why Pippa Squeak is in here, so we can know why the hell he's, well, here. Okay, Pippa Squeak, what is Mr. Squid's favorite drink? It's right behind me. Soda. That's soda? Wait a minute. It's not soda, guys. Squids don't drink because they're already in water. You can't have liquids in water. It'll just be liquefied. Yeah, I don't care, smartass. Oh, how dare you call me a smartass? And I'm supposed to be the cool one. Yeah, rich ass, get your butt out of here. Why are you guys so mean to me? Fuck. Maybe because you're a fat ass. Haha, 3 words that rhyme with ass today. I'm on a roll. You're more like on a fuck roll. You're going to kill everybody here. You hear me? Oh, great. It's Blueberry. Hello, guys. I'm going to kill this squid. No! Blueberry! No! Raw! It's a bad Blueberry. He can't kill shit. Now, what was that octopus that... What was his name? He has an unknown name. He just names him some. Yeah, I really actually do not know his name. Why the fuck are you here? Don't ask me. Yeah, don't ask us. Brother, we should get out of here. I'm your friend, not your brother, little buddy. Dad, get out of here. Oh, oh. Well, Jesus. Anyways, Mr. Reindeer, get out! What? What? No, I don't want to get out. Get your ass out of here. You are not Mr. Squid. Yes, I am. Do you even look like a squid? Yes, I have the tentacles and everything. The tentacles and everything. Where is it? I only see hooves, fucking legs, and fur, and antlers, and ears, and eyes, and nose. I don't see tentacles. Ow, what the hell was that for? To teach you a lesson of how we squids are. Oh, brother, are you okay? I don't know if I'm alright. Just remember, I'll be with you forever. No, I'm not doing this. No, you have to come back. No, I'm not doing this game. No! Oh, hey, here's the tentacle. Oh! I wonder what Mr. Squid is doing. You wanna find out? Oh, hell no! Sabaya! Now listen, you are not supposed to be here. Get your ass out! No. Yes! No. Yes! No. I said yes! You get your butt out! I'm opening up this door, and if your ass is not out here by the time I say so, I'm gonna kick you out! With what? You don't have legs. What? These are still considered legs? No, they're not. Are too? Are not? Are too? Oh, I would hit you with this if I freaking had the chance to. But wait, I should do it right now. Whack-a-mole! Haha, he goes flying. Ha ha, bitch, you didn't crush me. Oh. Who wake me the fuck up from my slumber? What? I don't know. Was it you? No. Can you all shut your stupid mouths for just 1 second? I am trying to do something right now. Oh, shut up, you Karen frickin' jellyfish. Jesus Christ. Oh, wow. Let me do my podcast, and then maybe you guys could shut up! Idiots. I hate her ass so much. Like, seriously. Oh, hey, fuck. What are you doing? Oh, damn it, why'd you close that tentacle? We could obviously have that open. Nope, I closed it. We need to get the fucking reindeer out. Ow, you fucking dickhead. Hey, how about that for a lesson? Okay, Mr. Rudolph, Rudy, motherfucker. Get out! No, I'd love to stay here. Hey, get out! Get out! Why are you using me? What did I do? Oh, sorry, Julie. We just had to... Daddy has to go do something. You're not my daddy. Shut up! And I swear to God, if one of you fucking Gen Z motherfucking kids in the comments say, oh, daddy's a freaking sass word. Well, you know what? Fuck you little asshole kids. You could go fuck yourself and your fucking stupid iPads that you guys watch on this. I'm not saying everyone's a fucking Gen Z motherfucker, but I'm just warning them. You hear me? You hear me, you fucking kids? I think they heard you enough. The mummies would probably be running in their room wondering what the hell is going to go on. Yeah, you should be a little bit quieter. Who are you, the calm downer? No, I'm just the reindeer. Where did you come from, frickin' Santa Claus's workshop? Yeah, who the hell even are you? I told you, I'm Rainsford. Never heard that name in the fucking, reindeer book. Rainsford? I have never heard that name in my life. Shut up! He is really a fucking asshole. I'm done laying like this in position. Anyways, can you just get out of here already? We have been sick of you just standing here like a motherfucker. Why? Oh, don't start this why shit. Oh, you fucking idiot. Why? Why should I leave? Why should I be not Mr. Squid's replacement? Because you're not a squid and we don't like furries. Really? Yes! That's the sole reason why we don't want you here. We have enough of those bastards already. But what are you talking about? I'm talking about that printed picture of Knightsy you printed last night. What? I didn't print no pictures of Knightsy. Oh, silly me. Then what's this? Oh my, was that my doing? Oh, Knightsy, I definitely did not print you on paper. No. Oh yeah, you better get that picture out of here, because I am not dealing with it today. Come on, forgive me. I wouldn't like that furry bastard. Yeah, you would. You like him. I gotta freaking kill you all. No, I do not like Knightsy. Says the one who obviously prints pictures of him. You make out with it? Because I saw you making out with it last night. What? I wouldn't make out with a furry. Yeah, you would. No! Yeah. No! Yeah. Stop it with the sissy fight. Can I join? No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes! Ah! Get fucking, sucker punched, bitch! You fucking bitch! Oh, you want a little fight now, huh, Mr. Rudolph? It's Rainsford. Rudolph! What the fuck is this on my head? Ah! Okay, calm down, little buddy. Seriously, why the fuck? Knightsy! I got traumatized him since day shift with that fucking husky! Ah! Well, Jesus Christ almighty. That was a doozy. Now get out! Fine. I'll get out. Well. Goodbye, everybody.